Hello everyone, welcome to a new video. In this video, I'll show you how to make public my subscriptions on YouTube. It's very simple and easy. Now let's start. First, open YouTube app on your phone. Then tap on U button. This is located on the bottom right corner of the screen. Now tap on View Channel. Then tap on pencil icon. Here you can see under the privacy tab, there are an option that is keep all my subscription are private. See here, this is now turned on. That means all of my subscriptions are private. If you want to make this public, then turn this off. You change or accept. After turn off, now your all of subscriptions are public. That's it for now. I hope you enjoy this tutorial. If you enjoy this, please like this and also as well as subscribe our channel for more interesting tech videos like this. Thank you.